Take 50% sand and 50% cement. Now mix it well. Add some water to make a good cement paste. Take cooking oil and add some in cup. Take 2 plastic pot. One pot should be larger and another pot should be a little bit smaller. The spaces between 2 pots must be 1.5 inch. Now apply oil on the inner sides of larger plastic pot. And also apply oil on the outer side of smaller plastic pot. Now add cement paste inside large pot. Now keep pressing the smaller pot into cement paste and try to place in the center and perfect level. For perfect level, fill the smaller pot with the help of stones. Now place the pot at rest for 24 hours until it becomes dry. After 24 hours, boil some water. Now place the pot in water for 3 to 4 days. If you are not placing your newly made cement pot in water for 3 days, then your pot will be damaged or crack easily. Water makes the cement pot strong like stone. After 3 days, take out your pot and place in full sun until it becomes dry. Now the pot is completely dry. This is the right time to make a drainage hole with the help of drilling machine.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share my video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Tension Free World.